Okay, this is a review of the Edison Baumr-AG. Swing it around there so you can see what it is. Chainsaw sharpener. Okay. Bought from Edison's about a month or something back now, and I've only just started to use it, and I'm not happy with something on it, so they've asked me to make a video and show them what the issue is. So, here we go. So here's a chainsaw. It's never been sharpened before, it's been used, hasn't been sharpened. You got the back teeth, your left teeth and your right teeth. I'll put that on there, we'll measure that tooth there. And we've got 6.9 millimeters. Okay, and the tooth that's the other way, we've got 6.9 millimeters. Okay, so they're even. So the issue I've got is when I put the chain in there, and we'll do the whole chain because that's what you're supposed to do. I'll put this on a bit of board so it can swing out. Clear that. Yeah. So we got that. We put that chain, that's lever back that way. Again, a little bit closer maybe, and we pull the back of the tooth onto, that's for that one, for that way. Just align that up a bit. Let that run one way. Okay, we'll put it the right way at the start. Help. Okay, so we've got that tooth going that way. We're going to mark that with a pen. Do that, that'd be good. A bit of green on there. So we can see when we're back to the first one. Alright, so we're going the same angle as the tooth there. We've got it set on 60 degrees there, and we've got 30 degrees here as per the specs on the chainsaw. So we pull that along there, pull that back to the stopper, tighten that off, and then we just check that there. It looks like it's not going to go all the way down. So a little bit more light on. So we'll just adjust that back a little bit so it's only going to just touch it. Just touch it there. Lock that in there. Bring that down, it's just touching that edge of that tooth. Alright. So we'll lock that one in. Pull it back, lock it in. Turn that on. And we'll just give that a on its edge. Unlock that. Move along to the next one. The second one. There. Seems to be this side cutting more than the other side, I think. We already had the stop with the down adjustment adjusted from previously. And we're back to the original one there, look at it. Okay, so you can see that each of those teeth are shorter than that one now, the other side, so we're going to just leave that back in there. And we're going to skip to the other side. We're going to spin this around at the same time. So loosen that off at the bottom there. It's 30 degrees there, so spin it around at 30 degrees the other way. There you go, tighten that up. And we'll just move you over there a little bit, hopefully you can see a bit better there. Now that it's all facing the right way, we'll just pull that back on there, tighten that up, and just pull that chain up on there. And we'll do this side. Come up there and pull it back on the stopper, tighten that up. So I didn't make any other adjustments when I turned that around, except for that turn it around, which I've seen on all the videos, any of these types of chainsaw sharpeners. The idea is that all these teeth should end up the same length. Both facing teeth. And all sharp, of course. This is the third one I've done on this, so I did try it with two others before I recorded it. So these are brand new chains that for one use, or one use with a meter sharpener anyway. So get them close. Going past that way. I can see just already that these teeth on this going this way are longer than the other ones. Let's cut the other one more on the other one. I've already been around them. Okay. Alrighty, so that one there, I've cut the teeth, this one, and that's from the other way. I can see that that's shorter, so the ones I just cut, I'll measure it. The ones I just cut are now 6.83, and on the other side, it's like 6. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought, maybe. 6.8. 6.5, but it has cut 0.2 of a millimetre off, and they're noticeably different. You can actually see. It looks like it's only 0.2 of a millimetre, but it's still throwing it out. 6.9, 6.6, which is a fair bit. 6.9, 6. So you can see they're consistent all the way around. Just really short. And I say about 0.4 millimetre short, some of them there. Yeah, 6.5 that one. 6.8, so 0.3 of a millimetre. That's the issue. Just need to adjust that one up a bit more because it's not. This one may have been sharpened before, so by hand. Yeah, that way, right? Maybe a little bit more on these, I think. A little bit more. The light should wet. Yeah, the motor one will be nice. That's for lining that up. Just push it a bit more. Yeah, that's about. There, that's all even. I'll actually touch on the blade in that one, so we'll just a little bit more. A little bit more. Do it. I'm going to do that first one again. And because we just did it top first one again, just got to bring it a little bit. That's about right. That's it. We'll turn that around. Cut off. Let's mark that one. Definitely cut more. No, we'll just touch it. Let's just cut noticeably deeper. And I'm pulling it right back in so it stopped too. It's always the same way, this way. Let's cut notably deeper. You can see it, you can feel it as you're cutting it. Back to the start, shouldn't be any of that one. It did. Oh no, it wasn't the start, there's the start. Shouldn't take any of that one. We'll measure that again. Okay. That way, 6.7. Opposite way, 6.4. 0.3 of a mil, not even consistent, 0.2 or 0.3 difference. 6.5. 0.5. There it is. Couple in it. It's not too hard to set up. Quick to use. They seem to be sharp. I did try one that did make a difference in the blunt one. Just not cutting them evenly. It's angle inside.